Break it in bigger pieces, honey.
They eat it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's it.
Here. This is the big piece, honey, right there.
That they can eat?
Yeah.
Look, boy.
Yep, they like crackers.
Don't want to eat that 2 pieces.
Oh, he's hungry.
Is he a hungry boy?
That's a hungry boy.
Is that the dad or the mom?
I don't know, honey. It's hard to tell with birds.
Why?
Because you can't tell with birds, honey.
What's this to go?
Here you go. Throw the whole piece.
Here, boy. Why is he not eating it?
Honey, it's hard for them to get crackers. See how his beak is so long?
Yeah.
It's hard to get crackers.